Imagine walking into your office on a Monday morning. You pour your coffee, open your laptop to pull up a critical client proposal, and the file is corrupted. Or maybe your accounting software suddenly can't reach the database. Or worse, your screen is locked with a ransom demand. Suddenly, the data your business relies on is just gone. It's a small business owner's worst nightmare, and it's exactly why we need to talk about your backup strategy. Notice I said strategy, because a proper backup isn't just copying files to a thumb drive and crossing your fingers. It's about having a reliable, proven way to recover your business when the unexpected happens. So, what exactly should you be backing up? Start with the lifeblood of your business, your financial records, customer data, important documents, and your endpoints or desktops. But here is where a lot of businesses trip up. It's not necessarily that they don't have a backup. It's that they set it up, assume it's working perfectly, and never actually test it. They also tend to miss the critical need for a multi-location storage strategy. They might have a backup, but it's sitting on an external drive right next to the server. That might save you if a single file gets accidentally deleted. But what happens if the office floods? And let's be real, living and working down here in South Florida, we have to think beyond normal computer glitches. Storms, power outages, and hurricanes can shut down a building fast. If your backup is sitting in the exact same room as your server, you're rolling the dice. And here's something else a lot of business owners don't realize until it's too late: your cyber insurance. If disaster strikes and you don't have a solid, verified, and tested backup strategy in place, your insurance provider might actually deny your claim for simply not following their baseline requirements. You don't need a massive, expensive enterprise system. Keep it practical. Automate it. Store copies in multiple locations, including off-site or in the cloud. And most importantly, test it. A backup is like a fire extinguisher. It looks great on the wall, but if you haven't checked the pressure, it's just decoration when the fire starts. Ultimately, a solid backup strategy gives you peace of mind and one less thing to worry about. When a server goes down or a storm rolls in, you shouldn't be scrambling to figure out if your data is safe. You want the absolute confidence of knowing it's already handled. If you aren't certain you have a reliable backup strategy in place, contact your local trusted advisor at CMIT Solutions of Fort Lauderdale. We'll help you build a plan that fits your business, your budget, and the way you work. Because your success is simply too important to leave to chance.